Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that.
Cause you are my universe, my everything, my sunset. You still give me butterflies, my lullaby. You are.
Hey guys, so for today's video we're going to do a voiceover. So as the title says, this is my everyday makeup routine. So right now I'm just moisturizing my face before I put any makeup on. This makeup routine is really quick, really simple. As y'all know, I'm in college, so I do not have time to be doing no complicated routine. This is the look I'm going for the eyes. I'm just shaking my foundation up a little bit before I put it on my face. I only use one pump of foundation because I don't really like my makeup to be cakey. Right now I'm just spraying my makeup sponge with a little bit of water. I don't know why I do this, but one day I just started doing that. Now I'm just applying the foundation to my face. I don't apply any foundation to my forehead because I just don't like how it looks. And yeah.
I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just snooze and miss the moment. You're just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up.
Next, I'm applying a little bit of concealer under the eyes to get like that bright eye look. Concealer I'm using is MAC 24 Hour Studio Fix Concealer, and it's in the shade NC48. The reason I don't apply a lot is because I don't want my under eyes to be too bright because I don't like that look on myself. Y'all, I always check to see if a makeup looks good in low light because sometimes it don't, but anyways. Next, I'm contouring my cheeks. I was going for like a more like apple cheek look, but yeah. Okay, so now I'm using some setting spray in between my makeup routine. Again, I don't know why I do it, I just do it.
Lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important.
Now I'm just putting a little eyeshadow on my eyelid. I basically mixed a shade that was my skin color and a shade that was slightly darker than my color to get this shade, but yeah.
I touch that fine for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all and I'm around you scared.
So now I'm just putting a little glitter in my inner corners.
I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting. I ain't your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose.
And now I'm using my favorite mascara, Bad Girl Bang. I don't know who it's by. I think it's by Benefit. Y'all, this mascara will make you look like you have eyelash extensions, I promise. Natural looking ones, of course, but still.
That white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one.
I think I started something.
Like, look guys, oh my god.
Superhuman, even when I'm fucking Viagra, popping every single record. Auto tuning, zero emotion, muted emotion, pitch corrected, computed.
Okay guys, so now I'm using a little bit of blush. I'm using the Milk Makeup blush. I'm not sure what color this is in, but yeah, it's like a pink color. I love this blush. Like, I've tried other blushes and it's never hit like this one did. I used to like hate blush, and now like I cannot do a makeup routine without it. Like, it just adds so much color to the face.
Ice blue bong, whatever. She said she wanna be a dentist really bad. She's in school paying for tuition, doing porn in the fab. At least she working, but girl, I can't feel my face. But I was smoking anyway. She said don't let the high go to waste. Can you taste a little taste of Novocaine, baby, baby, Novocaine, baby, I want you.
I'm just wiping off any excess lip gloss that I might have on, so we can do the lip routine.
Love me now, numb, numb, numb.
To line my lips, I'm just using a little bit of lipstick in like a brown shade. And then I filled it in with that same lipstick. And now I'm just using my favorite drugstore lip gloss. It only costs $1.29, I'm pretty sure. It's phenomenal. In the cup, I'm about to we be vibing. Now I'm spraying the setting spray one last time. Okay y'all, so I did not record an outro to the video, so I'm gonna say right now, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you made it to the end, thank you so much. Y'all make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see y'all next time.
Gotta do is say yes. Don't deny what you feel. Let me undress you. Open up your mind and just rest.